Jesus is good. Well, Jesus, you coming down on the white horse. We follow him on the white horse, John. Yohanan wrote in the Revelation, John, on his fruit, spirit abundance is she. Dance in a celebration, rejoice, Allah. Yeshua, Amashiach, Lord, Yeshua, Amashiach, oh, is your name. Yeshua, the one who comes asking on a white horse open heaven, saying 19 on a ride. They let him clothe fresh, clean and fine. Yohanan, Revelation 19 prophesy. Where Johanna white was lying, yeah, you right. Justice, glory, satiate and satisfy. Glory, justice, satiate and satisfy. Eyes of his were as a flame of fire white. Dripped in blood, his vesture written on his thigh. Holy Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord Almighty, I righteous abound 1,000 years, millennial time. Come and gather together all fowls of the sky for the great supper of the Almighty. I love behold, Yeshua cast these false prophets alive, lake of fire, as he reigns for 1,000 years. Imagine that life.